In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign tickets using triggers in Zendesk support. This can really streamline the workflow, ensuring that tickets land in the right inbox the first time around. Let's dive straight into how you can set this up efficiently. First things first, go ahead and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're in, head over to the Admin Center. You'll find this by looking at the sidebar, then moving to Objects and Rules, and finally selecting Business Rules. From there, click on Triggers. This is essentially where all the magic happens, and you're going to create a new trigger to make your support team's life a bit easier. Next, look for the option to Add Trigger, or it might be listed as Create Trigger. Click on that, and you're ready to set the wheels in motion. It's important to give your trigger a name that reflects its function. For instance, if this is for billing inquiries, you might call it Auto-Assign Billing Tickets. Now let's configure it to capture the tickets you want to route. Under the section labeled Meet all of the following conditions, you'll need to specify conditions that identify the tickets you want to auto-assign. You could start by focusing on the status of the ticket. Set it so that ticket status is new. This way, it targets tickets that haven't been dealt with yet. Next, look at the tags. You want to ensure the ticket tags contains a specific label, something like billing issue. And lastly, consider the channel. It might be useful, especially for centralized communication, to set ticket channel to is email. This specificity ensures your trigger applies only to the tickets you're interested in. If you want to keep things a bit broader, you'll find an optional section labeled Meet any of the following conditions where you can add more rules. These conditions work more like an either-or rule set. Once all conditions are set, it's time to define what actions should be taken. Under Perform these actions, you'll decide on the assignment. You have two options: assign the ticket to a specific agent by choosing Ticket Assignee and then selecting their name, or direct it to a group by selecting Ticket Group and choosing the team it concerns. There's also an optional step here. You can add a tag, say, Auto-Assigned Billing. This will help with tracking and auditing later on. Click Save to lock in your new trigger. But there's a bit more to do before it's live. You'll need to reorder your triggers, ensuring this new one executes before others that notify or perform different actions. Remember, the order of these triggers is crucial because it affects how they're applied. Finally, to make sure everything's working correctly, test the trigger. Submit a ticket that meets your defined conditions and check that the ticket is assigned as expected. If it works, you're all set, and your Zendesk setup just got a whole lot more efficient.